Okay, now we need to center our screen again. So here's a good chance to actually connect it to a computer or something like that so we can see what it looks like underneath. So connect it up to a laptop or something, and then it gives you a good chance to actually line it up properly and make sure everything is visible on screen as well. If not, then we might have to go back to the cutting table, but otherwise, here we go. So like I said before, this particular design of tabletop, unfortunately, we have these little lips here. Now we have to cut it down just a little bit so this is flat on the bottom of the actual table. Now if you have your different design, you don't need to worry about that bit, and it won't make a difference to how this sits on it, and you won't need to make those extra cuts. In the next video, we're going to be building the frame to hold the actual screen in place. So we need to make sure that the screen is nice and straight and flat, and that the screen is fully visible on the other side. So as you can see, my screen's all lined up at the moment, and it's almost there. So what I want to do is on the other side, I just want to take a few more measurements, make sure that it's corresponding to the actual original measurements I made to actually cut out the hole for the screen. If it corresponds to that, then I'm pretty certain that the screen is just about perfect. It's nice and flat, it's not going to look jagged or anything like that, and then we can build this frame around it.